Sapppning, I tell you exactly what's happening. Welcome back to another video. Good morning. Look at this for a location. It's all going on. I literally find that oddly satisfying. The sound on that, awesome. I absolutely love it. So just a little bit. As you know, this lockdown stuff has gone on the last 8-9 weeks. We've done a video for 8-9 weeks every single day throughout that period. It's been amazing having you along for the time. I feel like I've made a bunch of new friends as well. You know, Tony, Sam, you're all there. Awesome, man. So many other people as well. Don't get offended if I haven't shouted you out. Absolutely loved it. But we're 1st of June here now. Things are starting to get a little bit eased. I can start getting out my 5-mile radius, start meeting friends from or family from a different household, keeping the distance, etc. So I'm not saying goodbye, because there's going to be some incredible explores and stuff coming up on this channel and some traveling stuff, but it's a little bit of a thing now where I take a step back from doing the daily videos, and I'll still pop up a few there, and I concentrate on Viking Views because that's the main thing. So let me introduce you to my man.
Bush. Sapppning, tell you what's happening. Viking Views merch is what's happening.
Bush. So that's the other half of my completing that madness, which I absolutely love. That stuff is brilliant, you know.
What's this other half business?
Oh, you know, not in that sense, innit? But you know,
do you need me to get the tape of safety to keep you 6 foot away from me?
You know what I'm saying? So that's, you know, if, as I said before, right, link in the description before, if you haven't already gone over to it, literally go over to Viking Views. It's all stuff like this. It's literally car stuff, incredible locations. It's all stuff going on. What are you doing now? You floating around?
Well, I keep hearing what I think is a car. I'm floating like a butterfly. I'm stinging like a bee.
Muhammad Ali. Right. Nice bit of flow there. So yeah, literally, you know, there's worldwide stuff coming. There's gonna be a lot of car review stuff on it. There's reviewing stuff. There's so much random stuff we end up doing as well, like buying expensive hip-hop crisps from America, and there's also
that's a very specific example, isn't it? Oh, we do all sorts of stuff like buying hip-hop crisps.
Literally.
How specific is that?
It's everything, but you know, there's so many cars. We work alongside Audi. Shout out St Clair Audi Bridgend. Absolutely love this. There's gonna be a lot of special cars coming from them. Stuff from us also. You know, there's Ferraris, everything in the mix. Whatever you think of, we're gonna do. And yeah, that, I love that. 10 out of 10, love it. So it's all going on. So I just want to say Viking Views and just a big thank you so much. So, you know, I feel very blessed to have you all along. You know, made 5,000 subscribers also during that time, which is bonkers. That's really, really cool. So yeah, big love from the boss, the boy Dan as well.
In case you're wondering where my beard's gone, watch Viking Views channel to find out.
Yeah, exactly. There's a lot of cool stuff coming up. So as I said, it's not a goodbye forever. It's just literally that's where stuff's going to be concentrated at now. So that's what I'm going to push. That's what I'm looking forward to do. And next year there'll be some incredible worldwide things coming on that channel also, and some bits on this. So until next time, the boss man's out. This is us. That's Viking Views. Check it out. Big love. Boosh.